Yung basang-basa ka sa ulan, pati yung anak mo wala kang magawa kundi maligo na lang sa ulan, di ba? Welcome back to my channel, guys. At ito yung kambing ko, naligo sa ulan. Basta padidihin mo lang yung mga anak mo, hindi yan mabubuhay yan hanggang sa dulo. Ulan pa rin. January, ano na tayo ngayon? January 21, 2021. Ulan pa rin. Since nag-start yung Misa de Gallo, ulan hanggang ngayon. Hindi kami iniwan ni ulan. Kanina ulan, init. Pero nothing to worry, still regular days. Still regular days. Ulan is life. Pag wala namang ulan, wala ring damuhan. Buhay is life. Damo is life. Hagunong is life. Tubig is life. Ang kabuhayan is life. Basta pag may life, may life. Masagana is life. Peaceful is life. Love is life. Anong pa? Birthday is life. Pasko is life. New Year is life. Happy is life. Basta sa atin, pilitin nating maging masaya. Kahit umiiyak tayo, tatawa pa rin tayo sa dulo. Yung putik is life. Yung lamok is life. Yung mga palaka is life. Yung mga kasama mo sa buhay is life. Yung mga yung mga buling mo sa katawan is life. Yung mga balakubak mo is life. Yung kuto mo is life. We are the world is life. Yung aso, aw-aw is life. Wala, sige, mag-ingay kang aso ka. Kahit walang buhay is life. Kung walang trabaho is life. Kung magtitinda ka is life. Gawa ka ng sweater is life. Magtinda ka ng balot is life. Kung magtinda ka ng tabako is life. Yung magtinda ka ng lumboy is life. Diba? Pag walang maingay, wala ring life. Kaya maingay is life. Kahit hindi ka na makakatulog dahil sa ingay is life. Kahit nahihirapan ng huminga is life pa rin. Kahit natuyong-tuyo na ang damdamin is life pa rin. Kailangang mabuhay para is life. Kung walang pera is life. Kung walang ulam is life. Kung walang bugas, dapat rin may life. Basta pag malusog ang katawan, yan ang totoong life. Kung wala nang makain kinabukasan, life pa rin yun. Pag may meme is life. Pag walang meme is life pa rin. Tumawa ka lang, life pa rin yun. Kung umiyak ka man, buhay at life mo pa rin yun. Kung tutunganga ka lang, buhay pa rin yun. Life is life. Hindi naman pwedeng malungkot ka na lang araw-araw. Di naman pwedeng masaya ka rin araw-araw. Di pwedeng tagumpay ka pa rin araw dahil life yun. Oh, di ba? Life is life. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Bye, 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 bye. Pag mag-bye-bye is life.